everyone. You still recall that story of the little red hen? Isn't it true that some of us are like that? Doing everybody's job, and our job is waiting, caring for our attention, but we have no time for that. A successful leader is a person who will take responsibility for a large task and distribute it in such a way that he has a control function and he will ensure that others do what they are expected to do. This is the art of delegation. Maybe in our future episodes we'll touch a little more on how to delegate. I said I will give you 2 ideas. Please make a note of it. There are what are called checkpoints and there are what are called control points. Checkpoints, control points. In a to-do list, you should know what you are supposed to do by yourself. Checkpoints. For example, before coming for the shoot, things I have to do. Read the content of the episode which I'm going to deliver, take notes, cull out some jokes, maybe some stories. Maybe I had to say it once or twice so that I fall into the time limit. I need to tell the cameraman to get things ready, right? These are all the things I am supposed to do. But the person who is in charge of the camera, he is supposed to ensure that the shoot place is properly kept and that the door is closed. Things like that is his to-do list. So my checklist is, my checkpoints are things I should do. My control points are those which somebody should do, but I need to control that he has done. Please understand what I'm trying to say. My checkpoints are those things which I should do. My control points are what the person reporting to me should do, but I should ensure that it is done. Now, once you understand these two, it's very, very easy. Please understand, 90% of anybody's job is merely follow-up. 10% of the job is initiation. You should know how to control somebody else's job. Otherwise, it will be like that 4 people, somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody quotation I gave you some time back. Then the question is, how do we delegate? When you enter an organization, as I said a little earlier, that you do only a do function. Then you take planning function. Then you take interactive function. When you do justice for these three portfolios, then you become a manager. In delegation, one principle you should understand is, even though you delegate, you still hold yourself responsible for the completion of the task. There is a difference between delegation and abdication. Abdication is wash your hands, right? So, but delegation means you're still responsible, you take responsibility for the outcome, but get it done by others. I'm going to give you 8 ways in which you can prepare a person to discharge a responsibility on your behalf. Please ensure one thing, that you should never allow that person to fail. If he fails, he is not going to volunteer anymore. So executive development, people development is an important portfolio of a leader. The first stage is, look into this problem, give me all the facts, and I will decide what to do. Now let's say that you are given a training, and that is all you are going to tell. Look into this problem, give me all the facts, and I will decide what to do. Now, supposing this man works with you for some time, he graduates himself to the second stage. Let me know the alternatives, pros and cons, and I will decide what to do. In this stage, he thinks for you and comes out with action A or action B. Then you will do it, or you will tell him what to do. That is the second stage. The third stage is, you allow him to make a recommendation. He would come and tell you, sir, this is A, B, C options are there. I think you should do C. Right? That is the third level in which you have prepared your person. The fourth level is, let me know what you intend doing, but delay action unless I ratify it. That means your subordinate is now ready to execute. Only thing is, it sends he wants ratification of what he has done. That's it. Now, you know what has happened in this so far? Right from the day he entered till now, he has started behaving in a responsible way, and you have also prepared him. That is the fourth stage. The fifth stage is, let me know what you intend to do, right? Do it unless I say no. That means you have a control mechanism in which you want to stop it, right? Till that time he is allowed to do whatever he wants. That is the sixth stage, the fifth stage. The sixth stage is, take action, let me know what you did and how it turns out. Now, by this time, this man would have worked with you, or this person would have worked with you for maybe 1 year, 2 years. This is reviews, monthly reviews, weekly reviews, right? You only ask him, come on, tell me what is that you have done last 1 month. So you have a monthly meeting, weekly meeting, or maybe at the end of the day, you have a small meeting, so that to know you are in touch with what's happening. The seventh stage is, take action, communication with me only if your action is unsuccessful. This is called the exception reporting, and by this time you have developed him so well. And the last is, no action, take action, no further communication with me is necessary. No further communication with me is necessary, which means you have prepared him so well that he can do it so well, right? And that's it. That is the ultimate graduation for him. Now, why I say this, when in my executive development program, one problem executives report to me is interruptions. I am interrupted by so many times by so many people, and I have no time. So I ask them to have a log of interruptions, who interrupted them for what, and for what purpose, and what way they could have prevented that interruption. You know what happens when people are not trained? They take a lot of your time. The only way you can graduate yourself to a higher level of responsibility is to train your people. In my future episodes, I'm going to dwell on this little more in detail. I have an interesting story about a petrol bunk manager and a petrol bunk attendant. I'm going to tell you in the next episode. I promise I make a difference in your life. See you in my next episode.